You know that Amazon, what all-time high is like 33.25. Is that right?
Yeah, so Amazon, we got 20. I think it's right, unless, yeah, the spike up that held at 25, got a little bit of resistance at the 20 and a little bit at the 12. Um, the 12 was just some of these high spikes, right here from
Mm-hmm.
yesterday's high, and then you got yesterday's high over here. Um, a few times it's kind of smacked into that area. Okay, so we get through the 12, it breaks through the 302. It already has. That's a little bit of some volume there. Yeah, this could run. This easily could run. Set your stop at 3,000.
Mm-hmm.
The close is it's already above the close by $7. So if it breaks the close, that would be a good bellwether to tell you. Yeah, it's probably not going to hold. So Tesla's got its own agenda. It's up 40, 38. Let's see here.
Daryl, just to clarify, you did say today was the X day for Tesla.
Yeah, today is the last part if you own for it to split. If you have one share, they give you four more, so it's a 5-for-1 split. Yeah, and you have to own them at the end of the day today. Um,
Okay. Are you going to carry any?
I just want to see how it ends today. Like if it's holding the 230 for me, and it's holding the 240, and it doesn't go back into my red when I'm on these positions. If I got like
Yeah.
60 $70 locked in, I may hold two or three. But if I only got like $20, because this thing can move 50 60 overnight, you know?
Yeah,
So it's
easily.
kind of a crapshoot over the weekend. Like, what's the opinion of what could happen? And there's thousands of them out there on Monday. You know, I
Yep.
would love to have some and get into the split and then have battery day. But when I got a bunch of profit locked in already,
Yeah,
it always wanted. I'm more like a profit taker.
I understand.
So let's say we had a position in Tesla, and we hold it into the end of the day. It never breaks. It never breaks into our red zone. We never get into the losing position. And we get the end of the day and we're up a bunch of money. Maybe sell half and then maybe let a few run, but on your own cognizance, not my direction. Does that make sense?
Yes,
Because it could go whatever happens. Who knows? 3 days. We don't
that's
know,
right.
right?
No,
It's kind of like rolling the dice when you're holding stuff overnight. We've all done it. We all think this is going to happen. It does exactly different. You think we're a genius when it goes up 100, but then when it drops 50, you're like, what happened? The next day it runs. You know?
I'm never doing that again.
Yeah, exactly. Or you hold puts and then they say that's going to split 5-for-1. Oh, that was awesome. You know. So I've done it all. Um, so yeah, I mean that'd be a good way of just managing your trade, running it all the way up, holding it for the day, but you're managing profit. If you can get in that situation, great. It comes back to your stop, comes back to your where you got in, you got to get out. I just don't want to manage losses. That's what I would
Right.
do.
So you're number one, number two. What are you thinking?
Um,
Still looking at Tesla because of the volume and Apple.
I like Amazon just because it's super strong. It's a 2-day pop. You know,
Yep.
Nvidia
Nvidia down,
just popped at $4.
up or down.
Up.
I just don't have my charts right. I must not have the time frame right. That's what it is.
Got a minute and a half.
Yeah. Okay. Here's these set. I'm gonna get this 10 thing down one of these days. Some of them are set, some of them aren't. All right, let's see. Microsoft's running, Apple's running.
Where's the tick gonna be?
Negative.
Should be negative. Dow's going to be down about 100. You know.
That's what it was yesterday, and we started off at almost negative 1400. So
Right.
Let's just see what happens with the tick, and we'll just play the tick up. You know.
Okay.
That makes sense. But but you don't have anything down though. You got your Nasdaq stuff running. So really, they don't have an advantage. We're not pulling off the bottom of these. We're pulling off the top. So it's just a lot of inverse proportional. So you got one or two stocks that are down in the Dow, which is bringing that down. So you got a pretty mixed deal, you know. My 1 and 2 is I'm going to look at Amazon, Tesla, Apple. You know, I just want to see what they do in the direction. I want to see what the tick opens up at.
good luck, guys. Negative 800, 700 tick.
Yeah, so not as big as yesterday. And Amazon looks like it wants to explode. You know?
Yeah, I'm watching Amazon mostly.
And Tesla looks like it wants to take off. If you have an overnight position in Tesla right now, just don't let it go below 2031. Okay? Just take some of your profit. I'm selling half of what I had a position yesterday over 2,000, so I'm selling half right now. Because I know people listen to me in the room, and then I really got to just concentrate.
Apple's breaking this.
Yeah, so we got Amazon running, and we got Apple running. So there's good positions in those. I would, I mean, up would be the deal because your tick's going up into the means, right?
Qs are between the high and the close of yesterday, right in between them right now. Good chop for a second here.
Got a nice hammer on the Qs. And
Yep, get ready.
Tesla's getting ready to break the 40 again. There's 42. There goes Square. There goes Zoom. There goes the market. All right, so Tesla's just gone. Completely gone. So I'm going to hold the last positions. If it break doesn't hold, the 30 in those, and just let them run.
These Qs dropping below the close here.
Yeah, I think just Tesla has its own agenda.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
It trades by itself, so that and
Yep.
So I'm gonna let the rest of these Tesla guys run.
Yeah, I got that Tesla right when it broke. Sweet, man. Apple Turned out to be a dud, but Tesla's running.
That 242 was a big number above the pre-market.
Yep.
You know, that's like yesterday. I said once it breaks that 2,000, it becomes support, and it's like no looking back with that puppy. You know.
Did you consider puts in Amazon or no?
It's just super choppy. If it
Okay.
breaks the close, yeah, maybe. You know.
Okay.
So it looks inverted though. Yeah, let's do it. I'll follow you. Yeah,
I'll let this 5-minute candle finish.
yeah, I'm gonna take some. I'm in. It's closed. It broke the close. You know.
Yeah, I'm in with you.
Full launching, guys. Big time here.
What's launching?
Apple.
You scalp about $1.50 out this thing. Come on, break the 90. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's nice. That's $4 right there. Holy crap. That's 7. Nice call out, Chris. Oh, that's nice. Dang.
I got $2.50 off it.
Yeah, I sold half. I'm just, if it doesn't hold the 90, I'm out. You know. I'm just.
Got a 32.82 is a
Yeah,
200 moving average.
Well, if it can go all the way down to 280 here.
Pre-market low is 32.80. You're right up in here.
Yep. Mm-hmm. So it's also got a double bottom here too. Well, that's not. I'm sorry. That's not right. Well, you can't use a double bottom on a pre-market, but I guess it could be, huh? So yeah, I'm gonna slice.
Tesla's,
I'm gonna get out of this.
Tesla's still running too, Daryl. 2070's breaking here. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's great. I still got a few running. I sold half, right around 50, which is fine. I mean, I'm up $50. I'm not complaining, you know.
Yeah, I'm up 30 in it right now.
So
It's nice.
I got 4 running for the rest. I had 8 last night.
And you held pretty nice into that.
Well, you know, well, you know. I'm in the protect and profit. It's so much easier.
Especially on a Friday.
Yeah, I mean, so you got to be on this Amazon. That 90 was the hold, you know.
Yep. Took it.
So I mean, you're not in this. You're gone. You're scalping. You're trading. You know. It went all the way down to the 88. It was sweet, wasn't it?
It's quick.
That was nice.
I mean, you either got 160 or you got $6. I got 260 on the first sell, and I got $4.60 on the last one. So not bad. Not bad for a rookie.
Yeah, I got $2.50 on that.
I'll take 2.5 all day. Much easier today. Yeah.
Now the keys are getting a hammer right here.
You got a lot of volume in Tesla right now, just a lot of volume. So kind of what we said, you get a position, if you want to hold some, like we said, and you're managing profit, go for it. Give yourself a buffer. I'm not going to let it go back a certain amount of dollars, or it's not going to go to where I got it. Let it go, you know. Stop looking at it. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir, it does.
So, you know, this could run all day, or it could come back and take some of your profit out, but it never, ever will go back to your stop. You can put $10 stop in it and never go back to that. ever. You know.
Yep.
So that's kind of a cool thing to have a problem with, you know. But you got to be willing to sacrifice the $20 move down, though. Okay.
Nice trade, Bo.
Thanks, Randy. I'm still in half my position, so
Yeah.
wait to see where it goes. It's holding this half of a candle. So I think it easily does 2100 today, but
Yeah, I mean
we'll see.
it's parabolic on the 10-minute. There's no
Yeah.
wick. Your squeeze just went off, and you got a million shares. I see this. I see the little red little square, red little deal.
Mm-hmm.
Is it?
Yep. 2081. Here we go.
I got 4 in this puppy still.
I'm only down to 2, but hey, it's nice.
I'm gonna see if I can let it run and just keep my stop at 50. See if I can run a whole day on it. You know.
It could run $200 today. Last day before the split, it could. Who knows what this thing can do?
Watching Amazon puts again. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. See what the Qs are gonna do. Just gonna wait.
Yeah, it does look like it wants to come down. Qs are not holding, guys. I'm breaking the right there, boom, at 279.50. I'm selling my Tesla right now, and then if it breaks the 75, I'll get back in. And I'm just taking my profit. It's just I just want to close it out. Why not, right? It's just a radical candle, you know. I'm gonna get back in at the 75 with some more contracts.
Got a 2070 stop on these last 2.
Yeah, I'm just. It could easily pop through the 75, run all the way to the 2001. This could just be a pullback into a big old move.
Yep. It did it yesterday. Consolidated, went boom.
Yes, I'm just taking these profit, lock in the profit, manage your profit, and then if it breaks the high again, I'll just take it. You know. Not taking any chances today. Well, it's a pretty good morning. What do we got? 12 minutes? What is that option price at now? What's going on here, guys? La, 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 la. 16, 1925. Holy crap, those are up. So I bought them at 219, and they're at 286. I think that's pretty good. Do you think? Think I'm okay?
It's a good day, buddy.
They went all the way to 300.
Yeah.
So they're at 300. That's the September 25th that I had yesterday. Because I was like, oh, I'm going to hold them. But when it's up like $60, $70, I'm okay with that. I'm thinking maybe I should take some money. You know?
Yeah, I think I'd get out of that.
You know, you just like, hey, you know.
Take some profit at least. Yeah.
You were talking about it yesterday, you know, holding those overnight, you know?
Yep.
Me and
Yep.
Dan, I think I was talking to Jamie.
I think it was a good move.
There's always that subjective of what can it do on the gap and then what does pre-market. So you got to always be able to endure that, you know, the overnight positions. Ask me how I know that, you know. But you know, they could come in and say, you know, Elon Musk retiring. You never know. right?
That would be a bad day.
You know, I don't think that's going to happen. What if you just said, you know, I'm worth like 100 billion. I'm out of here. You know?
Elon Tusk indicted for fraud.
Yeah, you just don't know. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that would be a bad day.
So we got this Tesla breaking up through the 75 again. So you could get another position, but this is really high of the day stuff. It's 50-50. So
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
trying to get positions to run into the 2001. You got to have the stomach for it, okay? And know your risk. Are you willing to risk $6 on this? Because it's going to fluctuate that much on your option, okay? If you get out, you're trying to get out, it's probably about $3 by the time you get out 6. It really is on a downward channel, you know, because it's moving that quick. The spread's $2.50, almost 3. Okay. To that 2077, it breaks through there. It could run all the way to 2100. It's your choice, okay? It's an opinion, okay? It's not an order. You like opinions? There we go. There she goes.
It's launch right here.
There you
Q
go.
and the tip.
There she
Boom.
goes.
Apple's launching too, guys. Apple's a great trade. Amazon may launch here the Morning Star on the 5.
Yeah, it looks good on. Yeah, it looks really good on the 5. So we had pullbacks and an upward slam up off the 50 and the 21. It's breaking the 21 now, and you're breaking the 8 on the Qs. Stop would have to be about 2067 on your Tesla trade. All right, it's your choice. I think we managed that quite well. Took the profit right at the top of that deal. You know?
Yeah, I'm out of that. I just don't like the way it's not holding here, but I may re-enter. But hey,
Yeah,
that's
which they took it about 274, 277 was a nice out. I think that was really good. What you did, you're just protecting yourself.
Yeah, that's good, man.
And then Apple, I know Eric's in it all day.
Yeah, I'm in it.
Because that thing is holding the 10-minute candle, high 10-minute candle, didn't split at 50-50, you know? If you just made a checklist of what you're supposed to do on our curriculum and you just check the boxes, you would do so well. It doesn't hold the close, it doesn't hold 50% of the candle, it's above the high. If you just had a checklist, I mean, you would kill it. I mean, you'd be right in the 80% of the time, you know?
Totally. I got out of that Tesla and I re-entered Apple here. 482.50 stop.
I'm messing with Tesla right now. My stop's at 67. It's a 50-50 trade off the top. Okay? I don't know if it's going to work. If it doesn't, I'll get out. You know? It's got a chance of busting up through here, though. So I'm in. You know? Stops at 67. Doesn't mean the whole world piles in. It just means this is the chance I'm taking. Okay? Think before you push the button, okay? Where's your stop going to be? Super struggling right there, though, you know?
It is. That's why I'm glad I got out. This Apple's running, though, guys. It's got a lot of strength. Tick just broke zero, breaking higher.
Yeah, I mean, this thing could still run up past the 75, though.
Yep.
There she goes. Wouldn't want to have puts in it.
No, I won't do that.
I'm not going to have puts in it today. Apple. It's got its own agenda. Just keep holding that 50% of the candle and then top of the other candle. You know? It's accumulating. Look at the volume. 1.8 million on 10. Almost 2 million. 2 million on the last candle. Hello. Yeah, so I'm out of this Tesla. All right, so good morning, man.
Yeah, I think I'm done.
One of your Chinese stocks is running, a little car maker company.
Mm-hmm.
See that NIO? They're supposed to expand in Europe, but it's not really a day trading stock. But on the daily, it looks killer. You know,
Mm-hmm.
easy play. You know, this has a potential of running $20. Not today. Okay, it's a lot of they're expanding in Europe. It's Chinese stock though, so I know how you guys feel about Chinese. We really like them.
Just love them.
So you know, you might want to be.
Just can't believe anything that comes out of their mouth.
Their accounting is really nice. You know,
Classic stuff.
communism counting. That's not saying a lie, is it? I'm sure their accountant is communist. My accountant's communist. Would you be like, what? Like, what? What did you just say? Right?
I know.
It's kind of weird, isn't it? Him and Stalin went to the same school, you know?
Yeah. It's insane. So rolling over a pullback at least. I think our Tesla exit was good, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Could bounce.
Tried a few off the top there, but it just got down to the $5-6 deal and you get out, you know?
Yeah.
Amazon down maybe. Just super choppy though.
Phil's not talking, so he must have killed Tesla.
Now, just one trade in Amazon. No Tesla.
Gotcha.
Nice green for the week, you know?
It's good.
You must have did quite well in the Tesla.
I did good, man. It's good. It's done.
What in there? It was like $240, $230, $244 to $280. That's a $40. That's a $40 move. 39
Yeah.
anyways. You know?
Yeah, it is.
Could just be in a little bit of a chop here. We're kind of sideways and a bunch of stuff right now. Okay.
Mm-hmm.